Dear children, I, Mrs. Dorothy Timothy, once again welcome you all. Hope you all are fine by the grace of God. Today we are going to learn one of the interesting and funniest drama or play, that is Andher Nagri and Chaupat Raja. Lesson 2.5, a play. In this play, there is a king, and the writer of the play had described humorously how the king ruled his kingdom. A play is a comical story about a foolish king and his childish ways of serving justice. The story is divided into two parts. The play starts with the court awaiting the arrival of their king. The disciple of wise sage, who lives in Gangor forest, has come to meet King Chaupat of Andher Nagri, as he has heard amazing stories about the kingdom. He has heard that everything from vegetables to sweets is sold at the same price in Andher Nagri's market. The disciple wants to settle in this kingdom. But first he wants to attend the king's court to pay his respects. The disciple is asked to wait for his turn in the queue as the king arrives and addresses the first complaint. A thief puts forth his complaint before the king. He tells him that he and his friend had made a hole in the wall of the merchant's house, but the wall collapsed on his friend and he died. The king calls for the merchant to be hanged for living in a poorly constructed house. When the merchant arrives, he blames the bricklayer for building such a weak wall. When the king calls for the bricklayer to be hanged, the bricklayer blames the mortar maker for mixing too much water in the mortar. When the mortar maker is brought before the king and told that he would be hanged for his thoughtlessness, he blames the potter for making a pot with a large mouth. As the potter is brought to the court to be hanged, he blames the moneylender's daughter for distracting him with the tinkling of her anklets by walking past his house while he was making the pot. When the moneylender and his daughter were brought to the court, the moneylender pleads with the king to spare his daughter as she will be getting married next week. The moneylender's daughter explains that she really steps out of her house. She had to pass by the potter's house to go to the goldsmith's shop to ask him to work faster as he hadn't delivered the jewelry for her wedding till then. She says that if the goldsmith had delivered her ornaments on time, she would not have been forced to go past the potter's shop. The king sends for the goldsmith and announces that he be hanged without any further delay. So, girls, here ends the first part of the story. Now, meanings: appeal, a serious request; annoyed, irritated; collapsed, fell down suddenly into pieces; cowering, kneeling down; drastic, extreme; executed, put to a death sentence; fret, to worry; monarch, king; bricklayer, a man who builds walls with bricks. Now, girls, please read the lesson carefully and do the assignments. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. What is the name of the town? What is the name of the king? List the characters that have appeared so far in the extract. Now, find out synonyms of the following: delectable, awesome, knowledgeable. Thank you.